All right, new day in the world of Mac at his house. My wife came to me this morning. She's like, hey, I need you to look at the BMW. I think the tire's low. So I went ahead and filled up the air on the tire, and next thing you know, I went in the car and started it up, make sure the temperature's reading right, and I saw some other errors. So let's go check those out. Oh yeah, so she has a BMW X5. It's a 2015. It's not bad. The car gets targeted for getting sideswiped and no one leaves a little note or nothing. That was a Walmart parking lot. In Colorado. So if you're in Colorado and you hit an X5 in a Walmart parking lot, this is probably it. Standard bumps and scrapes over here, and I think there's something else over here that happened at my kid's school. Anyway, joys. Okay, so the first thing I see is remote control battery replace. Replace battery. I guess we gotta replace the battery on this thing. Okay, that's number one. Let's see what else we have to do. Well, service due. Okay. Okay. Let's see what else it says. Vehicle status. Engine oil level. Okay. TPS. I already fixed all the TPS stuff. Service required. Oh, brake fluid, engine oil. Okay, so yeah, I know this is due for an oil change. She let me know that. Oh, this is open. And we gotta do brake fluid. So I don't know if you know this, but every 2 years, BMW requires you to replace the brake fluid because it gets moisture and whatnot, and it actually does. It helps your calipers and stuff too, so you don't want moisture in there. So we will go ahead and take that project on today and change the oil and replace the battery in this thing. So simple maintenance turned into brake fluid swap out, engine oil swap out. Happy Saturday. All right, so project cleanup the BMW is underway. There's 3 things I want to do. Replace the battery on the key fob. I got this 2032 battery. That's what it takes. I got the drain plug, oil filter, oil for the BMW, and I also got all the super dot force and the brake fluid bleeder. Anyway, so this is all the stuff I need to complete this job today. So first things first, let's fix this so it stops making noise. Anyway, this is the key fob. This is my Panera. We also have Toys R Rewards R Us. Are they still around? Anyway. Preferred customer card, Hancock Fabrics, and Planet Fitness, which clearly you can tell that I do not go. Anyway. Here we go. So with this thing, you have to start by pulling the key off. There's a little key here. You just push this button. This slides out. And this little plastic cover comes off, and the way you do it is there's like a little area you can kind of grab right here, pop it out. You want to pop it out and down because it has these little tabs here. Then you got the battery, and apparently you need scissors for that. Alright, in order to get the battery out, has little clips here that hold the battery in, but if you just pull it down, it'll slide right out. Put the new one in. Put the case back on, just kind of slide it in the grooves right there. Bam, it's on. Project complete. Okay, next project. Oil change. Let's go do that.